Alrighty, so this is my project. It is a Python sort system. I'll sort JSON files. It will log any errors, and we'll try a bunch of different asserts to see if there are any type of errors that happen while running this program. It took me about 2.5 hours to make. I'm just going to run it, and so you can see kind of what goes on. So you can open up a JSON, for example, cities, and you can see all of the cities that were in that JSON. Now say if I open up empty, this is an empty JSON, and we'll be like, hey, it's empty, error, there's an empty. And the coolest part about this is that actually if you go to text here, it logs all the errors, all the asserts that happened. So I built out a little logging system in there. And this uses tkinter for the UI, by the way. So there's another one. There's another one that shows all the states. And this is the last one. So it kind of shows you all the different all of the different arrays that I was given for this lab 8. It was an interesting lab. Probably the hardest part was getting the error messages to log and to also show up in the UI that I built out. This is what it looks like. It's not too complicated. It just uses tkinter as the UI. But thank you so much.